Good morning, dear students. Today we will learn about the cyclic quadrilateral. The theorem based on cyclic quadrilateral is sum of either pair of opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral is 180. Cyclic quadrilateral means whose four vertices, a quadrilateral whose all four vertices lying on a circle, जिसके चारों जो वर्टेक्स होते हैं ये सर्कल पर अगर लाई करते हैं तो उस क्वाड्रिलेटरल को हम साइक्लिक क्वाड्रिलेटरल कहते हैं. So in this we have to prove angle B plus D is equal to 180 and angle A plus C is equal to 180. So given cyclic quadrilateral ABCD, only this is given in question. We have to prove angle B plus D is equal to 180 and angle A plus C is equal to 180. Construction join OA and OC. Proof. Firstly we will let arc AB, इसको थोड़ा हम डीप करेंगे. AB arc है, we join both end to the center and to the in the remaining parts. D point become the remaining part of the circle. When we are supposing arc ABC, so arc ABC subtend angle 1 at center and angle D in the remaining parts. So therefore angle 1 is double of the angle D. We have learned in theorem at 10.8 that angle subtended by the arc at center is double of the angle in remaining parts. So angle subtended by the arc at center is double of the angle in remaining part. Similarly we can write angle 2 is equal to twice of angle B, adding first and second. Similarly angle 2 is equal to twice of angle B, but we know that angle 1 plus 2 is equal to 360. ये पूरा ही complete angle होता है. We can put the values using first and second. So value of angle 1 is twice of angle D, angle 2 is twice of angle B. 2 we can take common, get B plus D. 2 से 360 को cancel कर देंगे. So angle B plus angle D is equal to 180, which is the result. Similarly angle A plus angle C is equal to 180. Now the next theorem 10.12, we can prove it as we have proved theorem 10.10. This is the quadrilateral. We are supposing that we have to prove if the opposite pair sum is 180. This is given कि इसके opposite pair का sum 180 है, and we have to prove that all the 4 points will lie on a circle. Given quadrilateral ABCD, in which angle B plus D is equal to 180 and angle A plus C also 180. To prove ABCD is cyclic quadrilateral, proof. Construction. Draw a circle passing through ABD. Now produce BC. BC को प्रोड्यूस करेंगे C डैश तक एंड ज्वाइन इट C डैश टू D. Which intersect the circle at C dash, then join C dash D. Proof. Since angle A plus angle C is equal to 180, equation number first given. Since AB C dash D is a cyclic quadrilateral, therefore angle A plus angle C dash is equal to 180. Just we have proved that opposite angle of cyclic quadrilateral, angles of cyclic quadrilateral from first and second, angle A plus angle C is equal to angle A plus angle C dash. Cancel angle A to A and get angle C is equal to angle C dash, which is possible when C and C dash are coincide. Therefore, point C also lies on a circle. Therefore, ABCD is cyclic quadrilateral. There are two situations. Similarly, we can prove when point C lies outside the circle. Now some examples. Example 3. AB is the diameter of the circle CD is a chord of the circle is equal to the radius of circle, जो कि रेडियस के इक्वल है. AC एंड BD व्हेन प्रोड्यूस्ड, AC को ज्वाइन कीजिए, प्रोड्यूस करेंगे, BD को भी ज्वाइन करेंगे, प्रोड्यूस करेंगे. दे आर मीटिंग एट E. Prove that angle AEB is equal to 60 degree. We have to prove that this angle is 60 degree. Join it. This is the part of construction. Given to prove, can write from the questions. Construction, join BC, proof. Since AB is diameter, therefore angle ACB is equal to 90 degree. एक नंबर एंगल इन सेमी सर्कल, इन सेमी सर्कल वी हैव प्रूव्ड इट ऑल्सो, जिसको हमने प्रूव किया है. बट ACE इज अ स्ट्रेट लाइन, therefore angle ACB plus angle BCE is equal to 180. Linear pair. Therefore ACB को हम 90 डिग्री प्रूव करेंगे, पुट करेंगे, तो एंगल BCE is equal to 180. So angle BCE using first, BCE is equal to 90 degree. Second, now in triangle BCE, angle BCE since arc BC since OC is equal to OD is equal to CD given, therefore triangle OCD is equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle, therefore angle COD is equal to 60 degree. Each angle of equilateral triangle is 60 degree. Now arc CD subtend एंगल COD at center and angle CBD in remaining part. Therefore, angle CBD angle COD is equal to twice of angle CBD. रीजन लिखेंगे एंगल सबटेंड्स बाय आर्क एट सेंटर इज डबल ऑफ एंगल इन रिमेनिंग पार्ट. Remaining part. Therefore, twice of angle CBD is equal to 60 using second. इसको थर्ड नाम देंगे यूजिंग थर्ड. 2 से इसको कैंसिल कर देंगे तो वी गेट एंगल CBD is equal to 30 degree. This is fourth. Now in triangle BCE, angle BCE plus angle BEC plus angle CBD is equal to 180. Angle sum property. BCE 90 डिग्री हमने इक्वेशन सेकंड में प्रूव किया. एंगल BEC हमें फाइंड करना है. CBD फोर्थ में हमने 30 डिग्री फाइंड किया है इक्वल टू 180 यूजिंग सेकंड एंड फोर्थ. तो देयरफॉर एंगल BEC इक्वल टू 90 प्लस 130 इधर आकर के माइनस होगा इक्वल टू 60 डिग्री. विच इज योर रिजल्ट. थैंक यू.